Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my videos, do make sure you stay tuned by subscribing to this channel so that whenever I upload videos, you will get notified. So let's dive in. Are you looking for types of niche that you can start with that people are actually demanding from, but yet you don't know and yet you are confused about those niche? I'll be suggesting 5 most top niche that people are always demanding for. So here are top 5 niches that are in high demand on the internet today. So if you start with any of these niche, there is a high chance of you growing faster and becoming successful on social media. Number 1 niche you need to know is beauty and wellness. Teach people how to take care of their skin. Share tips on skincare, fitness, and all of that. There are a lot of people out there who wants to know more on how they can maintain their skin and how they can make their skin glow. And you are the type that you know much more about these things. So why don't you start creating content and be sharing those ideas and reviews and tips that you know concerning those products by yourself? Show it to the people and you see people that will be very, very much more interested in this niche, and before you know, they'll come to your page and you start creating your own community and start earning money from social media. Then the number 2 thing you need to know is personal finance. Teach people how to manage their money. Teach people how to invest their money. Teach people budgeting. You are the type that you know how to manage money very well. And why don't you start sharing tips on it? There are so many people out there who are looking for how I have 200k. So what do I start with this 200k? And you know that you are the type that can help people to manage their money. You know how to manage budget. So why don't you start creating content? Share tips on this. Let people know. If you are the type that knows how to manage money, this niche is for you. The number 3 thing you need to know is travel and adventure. Travel and adventure. Yeah, you like going to places, you have been to so many places. You can start helping people to explore the world. Tell them where to go, let them know where they can take their holidays, let them know where they can take their honeymoon and all of that. Before you know, you start making money. So this is one of the niche that can also help you to be a successful content creator. Do you know why this niche is very important? So many people want to go for holiday, but they don't know where to go. They have not been to places before, and you are the type that loves to travel. You love to explore the world. So what's stopping you from sharing content on traveling and adventure, so that people can also know where to go whenever they want to take holiday or just take some chilling and all of that? So if you are the type that love exploring the world, this niche is for you. Number 4 of this niche is technology and gaming. Technology and gaming. You love to play games. You know more about games. You know so much about games, football, Mortal Kombat. There are a lot of interesting games out there. PS5 has so many types of games, and you know these games very well. So what's stopping you from sharing tips on these games? So if you are the type that loves how to play games, this niche is best for you. Technology and gaming. So the last one, but not the least, is food and cooking. Food and cooking. You know how to cook very well. And you know there are a lot of Gen Zs, there are a lot of Indomie generation out there that doesn't even know how to cook. So what is stopping you from sharing tips on how to cook? There are so many people that comes online to be like, I want to learn how to cook Indomie, I want to learn how to cook eba, I want to learn how to cook oha soup, I want to learn how to make cake, I want to learn how to bake cake, I want to know how to make snacks. And you know you can do all of those things. If you start creating content on these things, you will definitely see people that will come to your page and follow you and subscribe to your channel in order to be getting updates from the tips you are sharing. Remember, a lot of people out there are ready to learn each day. So you can't have your knowledge and allow it to die there. So open your camera, take your tripod, open your camera and start creating content. It doesn't matter the type of phone that you have. Just start creating content, and before you know, you see people who are willing to turn up for what you are doing on social media. So guys, thank you for watching that beautiful video, and please do make sure you subscribe, to this channel for you to see my notification anytime I upload videos. Thank you all guys, and I love you.